Bro, I was swimming 1 o'clock in the afternoon, right? And I splashed my cousin with water. He got so mad at me. He threw a net in my face. My nose feels like it's broken. Don't know what to do. And it's 1 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock in 4 minutes. And I'm still chilling. He's sleeping because his backbone got broke.